Alright, our invention is almost finished. All we need to do is upgrade the shot. Yep, that will help much. Yeah, as long as he doesn't fall on me again. No. Well, anyways, let's upgrade the shot. Okay, this isn't right now. And if I take this thing, I can put it in here. Put this thing in there. There we go. And here it is now. It'll do a lot more damage. Good idea. Yep, I have to agree. Dot, dot, dot. I think I gave the machine the ability to talk. Okay. That's another reason to not want it to be destroyed. Yep. Oh, it can get annoying sometimes. Analyzing shot. Want a practice shot? Yeah. Perfect. Actually, shot not very powerful. Didn't destroy much at all. At least it's better than the first shot, right? Then we must add more to it. Here we go. We will take over the world with this. Analyzing shot. Ding doing, doing. Ha 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 ha. It's about to explode. What? Good thing it doesn't explode the creators of this weapon. Guys, did you just hear them? Yeah, they said they were gonna do some kind of... They're adding power to their shots. Wait, what? They're adding power to their shots. Oh yeah. That means they could destroy us, or maybe even the world. Their intent was to destroy the world, so the world shall destroy them. What are you talking about? Really, what are you talking about? Wait, you're not gonna call the Earth, are you? No. I'm not gonna call anyone. We're just gonna defeat them ourselves. We can't. We're just two birds and a pig. No offense, pig. None taken. So, how are we gonna do this? I don't know, but we will. Ooh, I got an idea. I'll take this one first. No, I will. Ah! My turn. Whoop. Whoop. Oh no! I'll see you on the other side. Me too. Dot. 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 Escape! Save me, save me, save me! Oh, dang it. Looks like you can't take over anymore. But my plan! Your plan is nothing now. Yeah. Now, I'm gonna take all of your friends with me. But all of you guys are dead. Plus your death ray. No! And we'll take you all home. Really? To where you should be. Well, to where your home should be. What are you talking about? I'm talking about the jailer. Jail? 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 Oh, no. No. Pig! We shouldn't take them to jail. Let's take them to the Slammer. Good idea! Oh, come on. Come on. Wait a second. We are back in business. Yeah! Woohoo! Our plans to take over the world are not destroyed now. Ha 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 ha. We don't, and if we don't break out, we'll finish this. And then we'll break out of the wall. Yeah. It's gonna be amazing. I'm back. I'm not dead now. I bet they got what was coming for them. Me too. Let's go home now. We must be in peace. Yep, we have to be. adventure is over. Hopefully forever. I like that adventure. But it's nice to finally know that it's over. Yeah. Imagine they didn't take over the world. Us too. And then they lived peacefully. Well, they at least thought they were at peace. They thought they would live peacefully until Snake returns. But actually, it wasn't Snake that returned.